A story of hope. Once upon a time, there was a small bird named Hope. Hope lived in a beautiful forest, filled with tall trees and chirping birds. One day, a huge storm hit the forest, and all the trees were destroyed, leaving Hope without a place to call home. Hope flew from tree to tree, searching for shelter, but found nothing. Despair began to set in, but then Hope remembered its mother's words. Where there's life, there's hope. Hope realized that, even though its home was destroyed, it was still alive and could create a new home. Hope began to search for materials to build a nest. It found sticks, twigs, and leaves, and worked tirelessly, weaving them together to make a cozy and safe home. As Hope worked, other birds in the forest saw its determination and came to help. Soon, a beautiful new community was formed, filled with hope and love. The sun shone brightly, and the flowers bloomed, filling the air with their sweet fragrance. Hope's hard work and determination had paid off, and it was now living in a place that was even more beautiful than its old home. From that day on, Hope served as an inspiration to all the other birds in the forest. Whenever they faced a challenge, they thought of Hope and its unwavering hope and belief that things would get better. The forest became a place of peace, love, and happiness, all because of one little bird's hope.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share to your friends.